Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to check the word count in Google Docs. So, let's just start the video. At first, open your Google Docs. Now, from the top menu, click on Tools. Then click on Word Count. A box will pop up showing words, characters and pages. You can check the box display word count while typing. It will display word count while typing. After that, click on OK. Now you will see the word count at the bottom left of your screen. If you type anything, it will show your word counts here. If you click on this arrow, then you can see the words, pages and characters. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to SkillWeb for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.